For the first time since the introduction of the Distribution of Industries Act in 1958, a government advance factory has been let to an American firm. Here at Porthmadog, about 100 employees are turning out a minimum of 2,000 typewriters a week, 80% of which is being exported to 96 countries of the world. This American firm has a worldwide market in office equipment, and the employees at this factory will take home exactly the same wage packet as their colleagues working at the parent factory in West Bromwich. Well, as I said, there are about 100 employees here, and most of them are teenagers, some even younger. But by the end of the year, these empty benches will be filled, bringing the total labour force to over 200. During training, they earn some £12 a week, but later, when they go on piecework, they will earn far in excess of this. Well, what is the reaction of an international company with branches in such different places as Hamburg and South Carolina, Berlin and New York, to coming to a place like Porthmadog? I put this question to a man Mr. Gronwy Roberts, the Minister of State for Welsh Affairs, described as an outstanding industrialist. The Vice President of the SCM Corporation of America, Mr. G.R.Bolan.
SCM Corporation's interest in Porthmadog and in establishing a factory in this area was based upon a number of items. The primary interest, of course, was, does the community wish our type of business to be a partner in their local community? The answer was spontaneous, that they did. The fact that the local residents of this community have seen fit to invest in a beautiful factory, as we see here today, indicated their interest and their belief in the future of their community. It is our good fortune to become a corporate citizen of this area and to be able to provide the work opportunities for the future for the young generation coming along in the Porthmadog area.
What has been your reaction so far to Welsh workers?
Well, I have had the good fortune over a number of years of having visited a number of factories in Wales, and I can truthfully state that with the proper productive equipment, the proper training, the native intelligence of the workers in Wales, as well as their ingenuity and their interest in their work, will match or exceed the capabilities of workers in any country in the world.
Mr. Douglas Dwyer, you are the managing director of this company. I notice most of your employees are just teenagers. Any reason for this?
Oh yes, there's a story behind this. When we were making our original survey and deciding where to put up this plant, we were asked particularly to consider the employment of a fair proportion of young people because they had a problem in this area. Apparently they had something like 50 people, youngsters who had left school 12 months ago and not yet found employment.